Hey, what are you doing, sweetie? Wow. Show Mama how you can put the pieces together. Can you put these pieces together? Put the pieces together. Let me see. Can you do it? Let me see. Show me. Wow, look at that. Good job. Let me see. Show me the piece. Good job. Look at that. You got another green one. Now you're going to trade it for the other green one. Wow, look at that. What a good job. Mama taught you how to put the pieces together, right? How cool is that? Can you put this one too? This is tricky, look. Oops. You mastered all the pieces. Wow, what a good job you did. What's that? Press the button. Do you know where the button is on that? Press the button. Oh, you wanted to dance? Here. Wow. You like that? The battery's dying on that. It's kind of freaky. Sounds kind of freaky, right? Oh my gosh. You like that? Say bye-bye.